Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marlou and this is Mae Journals. And today I have another order packing video with you guys. I love these videos. I love packing orders. It's my favorite thing to do. I love to film it because then I can look back at it and I get that same relaxed feeling, that same feeling of like accomplishment, I guess. So you'll be seeing more of these videos, of course, unless I stop selling things. Like if no one buys my stuff, I have to stop making these videos. But let's hope I can keep it up. So yeah, we're starting off with this order for my dear Patreon Anna. I sold these earrings, adorable. I sold this bookmark. And then she also bought a custom journal kit. So she wanted one with all pink and Hello Kitty. So we did that and it was a lot of fun to put together. I have a lot of journal kits ready to go. They're just on my shop and you can just buy them, but I am open to, if you're like, this is my budget or this is my style, I can just, try and do that. Unless you have like a certain style that I don't have stuff for, then, we have to talk about it if I can do it, because maybe I need some time to shop, But other than that, it's really fun. And with this one, I could just go all out. Like, it took me a very long time to pick everything together. So if you're like looking at the journal kits and you're like, I don't know if I want that, just, remind yourself that it takes a lot of time to put them together. And then also buying it for me is definitely cheaper than buying all the, paper packs, the things that than buying it from me. So maybe I'm like giving super low prices for like what I've seen on the internet. I've seen a bunch of journal kits online that ask a lot more money for like not much more stuff. So I don't know if the pricing I'm doing right now is good, but let's just take the opportunity to buy it now that my prices are this good. I mean, I don't know. I just think my prices are really good and I have a lot of fun putting them together. I love selling them. So yeah, definitely check them out. And yeah, also my bookmarks, they're so fun. And I also love that I'm doing mystery books, like blind dates with the book, and I make a custom bookmark that goes with the cover of the book, and I add in stickers and I just wrap it cute, and it's just so much fun. And I've sold a few of them, but I have a lot more, so definitely check those out. I think it's very, very fun to make, but also I think it'd be fun to, buy, because every book in that blind book thing I have read already. So I'm not gonna give you shit books. Of course, everyone's opinion is different, but like I'm not just, grabbing random books from free libraries or anything. No, I'm just genuinely picking books that I read start to finish, that are in great condition and that I want other people to read. So there are popular books and there are less popular books, but yeah, I just have keywords for all the books so you can just see if it's your cup of tea. So I loved with this order, it's so big, so I could do cute bags. So I added labels, I added stickers, I added envelopes and cards. I went crazy with this. So fun. So it's a great order to start this video with. I think the last time I did this video, I did it without talking, and now I'm doing a bit of talking in between, but still having the background sounds. Please let me know what you prefer. It's fine for me either way. But yeah, those are my wax seals. I still have a few of those left, so very cute. And I also love these earrings. I'm also selling them in lilac now. And I think they'll be coming in blue, like baby blue, pretty soon. So cute. And with all my earrings, it's buy 3, get the 4th one for free. So, you know, they're already super inexpensive. And then you also get the 4th one for free. It's crazy. This girl wants the back orders. You can tell. But yeah, like always, everything is in my description. The shop page, my Instagram, Mae Journals shop. I also sell a lot through Vinted, but I definitely prefer if you message me on Instagram first. If you want to switch to Vinted after that, that's fine. But it's easier to just talk on Instagram because, you know, Vinted definitely does not want me to, you know, treat it like a business, because that's not what Vinted is for. So, you know, conversations are better held on Instagram. But of course, if the shipping is cheaper for you on Vinted, then that's cool with me. On to the next order. I sold this book, so a Vinted order. I always wrap them in paper, make sure they're protected and arrive cute. And if you're like, I don't remember what I ordered, I mean, I don't know if you have that. You must order a lot if you have that, but I mean, it's a fun surprise. So yeah, my desk is a mess. I definitely did not clean that up for this video, but I was going through this whole phase of like having to organize my stickers. I added a bunch of stickers to my Vinted because I wanted to have a lot of stickers, like new stickers, but then there were way too many, and I was like, well, this is great because if people want to buy stuff on Vinted, they can add a sticker pack, and then they're really happy with that, and also it makes me, you know, do business more. So in the next order packing video, you're gonna see a lot of sticker packs. So those are not on my shop because I didn't make those stickers, so I'm like, I don't want them on my shop, but I do have them on Vinted, and they're selling really well, better than my products. And it's with like everything, like I make my own products, I spend hours, I spend money on it, and then I sell something that I didn't make and it sells immediately. And it's just like, I'm glad I'm selling things, but like I would love to just only sell things that I make myself, you know? So I would really feel like an artist, or like well, not an artist, but like, you know, someone who makes everything themselves. But like, it doesn't work. People don't buy the things I make. People buy the things I, you know, declutter from my home. Like I buy these stickers, I pick a few that I want to use in my journal, and the rest is going on Vinted, and those things are getting sold. So yeah, unfortunately. So I sold this Crybaby coloring book. This is a huge like thing. If you used to watch my Crybaby journal videos, I don't know what happened, but just over the course of the years with Melanie and the rumors, and then at first I was like, and then I was like, and then she, you know, changed her whole persona into this thing, and I don't know, I really grew out of her. And I'm not gonna say I don't like the Crybaby album anymore, because I do. But I don't know, I was just like, and people were getting crazy over this coloring book, like about the images that were inappropriate and stuff. And I was just like, maybe I should just sell this, because I've kept it in perfect condition over all these years. I never touched it. So I should just sell it, and I love that for me. I love not having stuff, if that makes sense. Like I read a lot, but I sell all my books. I journal a lot, but every sticker I'm not going to use, I'm selling it. Like I have a lot of stuff, but I don't want to have a lot of stuff. So if I don't wear something, it's going on Vinted. If I don't use something, it's going on Vinted. Like I don't want to have too much stuff. So that's really what I do. So yeah, this order, very exciting. I sold 2 blind dates with books and another book. So yeah, every order comes with freebies and my business card and a thank you card. And yeah, it just means the world to me. I would love to be able to sell something every day in the future. That would make me very happy. So yeah, definitely check out my Instagram shop, Mae Journals shop. Or check out my Vinted. It's butterfly.days. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I would love to see you next time. Bye!